Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to add widget to lock screen on your Samsung One UI 8 or any other latest Samsung device. By default, when you lock your phone, you can see the lock screen clock style, lock screen app shortcut, but you can't see the widget on your lock screen. To add the widget to lock screen, long press on the lock screen on your device. Unlock your Samsung device. Now here you can see the add widget option on the lock screen on your device. So tap on it. Now you can find the list of different widgets like battery widget, calendar, camera, clock, device care, weather. So select the widget you want to add. Like here we select the battery option, battery status. So here we select the battery status. Now you can see add the battery status in your lock screen. Also select any important widget like you can set the device care, how many times you use your phone. So we select the device care option on my device. Also we add the weather widget. So at the end you can see the weather. Here you can current temperature and weather. So we select this option. Now you can see add widget to my lock screen. Also when you tap on it, tap on the minus icon to remove it from your device. Also you can increase or decrease like this clock style. Also adjust the widget on your device, so you can add the widget you want on your device. Now we also add another widget on my device. Now you can add the maximum 4 widgets on your lock screen. To remove, you need to tap on the minus icon to remove the widget from the lock screen. Now tap on a done at the top right corner, and you can see add widget to the lock screen on your Samsung One UI 8. So just lock your phone and you can see the widget on your lock screen. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.